Hi everybody, it's Mike.
Henry.
And we're going to be breaking out something from over a year ago today. We got this 2018-19 Panini Prizm cello pack. Haven't been able to get any new cards, recently released cards, in pretty much any of the three major sports anytime recently. So I've been hanging on to this for a little bit and figured we'd open it. Picked this up actually back when they were on the shelves over a year ago, and kind of holding on to it. So they've gone up in value. Big rookie cards we're looking for. Luka, Trae. Some of the other ones I didn't have as great a season this year. I think SGA, Shai Gilgeous-Alexander would be a good one. Maybe Wendell Carter Jr., some other ones. So this cello pack has 3 packs with 4 cards each, regular packs, and then it's got the red, white, and blue bonus pack with 3 Prizm red, white, and blue cards. So we opened a bunch of these last year and never got a Luka or a Trae. So it'd be nice if we got one now. Odds are probably against it, but we'll see. So I've been looking for a right time to open this, and I hope it is now. So this is the red, white, and blue. Put that to the side. I'm going to open 2 of these, so then Henry will open the other 2. So we'll go with these 2. So 4 cards per pack. You ready?
Yep.
All right, so we start off. Frank Kaminsky. And we got Kareem. All right, retired player, Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. And we got something here, an insert. Kristaps Porzingis, get hyped on the Knicks. And the last one, Drazen Petrovic. So 2 retired players in there. Petrovic was a good player in the, I don't know when, like the 90s maybe. He played for the Nets for a while. Good perimeter player. All right, next one. I'm going to try to hide the back one. All right. Dirk Nowitzki. It's nice. Ooh, got 2 rookies in here. Henry.
Yeah.
The first one, the rookie, is Landry Shamet. All right, not bad. Could be worse. And then we got a dominance, Robert Parrish. And now we got another rookie. This is orange, Mikal Bridges.
Mikal Bridges.
All right. Okay, so we got 2 rookies in there. And next.
Okay. Next one. Given Nikola Mirotic, Al Horford left the Celtics after this year. Emergent DeAndre Ayton.
All right, that's not bad.
Not bad for his overall pick. And Damari Carroll.
All right.
Now we have.
So now we're on to the red, white, and blue.
Red, white, and blue. We have Paul George, now on the Clippers, but back then on the Oklahoma City Thunder. Marc Gasol, Memphis Grizzlies, won a championship. And as you saw, Willie Cauley-Stein on the Sacramento Kings.
Okay, so didn't hit the jackpot there, but a few nice ones. Just this is actually a silver prism of Al Horford. You can see the reflection there. That was the only silver we got. The Paul George red and white and blue is nice. The Emergent DeAndre Ayton, and then the other two base rookies are just the Bridges and the Shamet. Okay, everybody, thanks for watching. Bye.